Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening Instagram and creating a story right away. Tap the plus icon or your avatar to open the camera. Once there, pick an existing photo or record a short clip. Make sure framing and lighting are set. After selecting media, use the crop and effect controls to position the content where you want emoji to appear. Once done, pause to decide whether the emoji will highlight a face, product, or location. Positioning now saves editing time later. Tap the sticker icon, then choose the Emoji tab to view options. You can also use the search bar to find a specific symbol quickly. Once an emoji is placed, pinch to resize and drag to the ideal spot, and rotate with 2 fingers for precise alignment. You can add multiple emoji layers and change skin tones or color variants where available. Make sure to stagger size and placement to avoid covering key visuals. When satisfied, preview placement before moving on. Now animate and finalize. To pin an emoji to a moving subject, long press it and select Pin, then scrub the timeline to attach across frames so it tracks motion. If you prefer movement, swap for GIF sticker or add multiple emoji across frames for simple animation. Always preview your story at full playback speed to confirm timing. If everything looks good, choose Share to post to your story or close friends. If it misbehaves, unpin and repin, or re-add the emoji as a quick.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.